Hi guys, Terry here. Hey, today I want to talk about Tim Holtz's Distress Oxide inks. I recently had a little visitor in my craft room and I thought it was just adorable, so I had to share it with you. But this is how I'm storing my Distress Oxides. I had purchased these Distress ink pad tins, and here's a current price on Amazon. I watch for them to go on sale, and sometimes you can find them at a reduced price at Michael's and Joann's. But I basically have taken apart the plastic piece. You could use the tin in your drawers and pull those out for travel. But what I found was I just wanted to use the inside plastic piece for inside the drawer. Here's a close-up picture. So I've taken that plastic tray. I wish you could buy the tray just by itself, but I took those trays out of the tins, and I have the tin in my closet in case I ever want to return it back into those, a container with a lid on it. But I just love the way this looks inside the drawer, and it's very easy to have them close at hand and use them on my projects. So here's me and my little grandson. He's 4. And he was just enamored with the, first he saw the brushes on my desk, and then I showed him what they were for. So we just had a good old time. Blue? Okay.
Yeah, I pick it fine.
You pick it.
Yeah, nice.
Okay.
Wait,
watch, the lids fall off easy, so just be careful. Those are to get them wetter if they get dried out. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Back. Yeah, the lids are loose. There you go. Ooh, that's the prettiest one. I like that blue. Okay. You are really good at this.
Wait.
Is there another color you want to do?
White.
Wow, that one's a light blue. Oh, you want to do white? Let's not do white. I don't think white's a good color. Let's do this blue. Oh, that's green.
Maybe it's that one.
Yeah, use that one. This is really cool. Oh,
I would color
the whole thing? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. What's another color?
Oh,
there's purple. We haven't done purple yet.
that must be.
There's one of these up here. Yeah. Ooh, villainous potion. Ooh, that's a good one. We'll make Mommy a card.
Yeah, this one can be for mine.
Okay. All right, 1 minute. We're making a movie. Ooh, that's cool. So what other color do you think we need? Go slow. Don't go crazy. What needs to be over here?
Any color?
Any color?
Oh, how about orange?
Orange. Ooh, we haven't done orange yet. Let's see. Here's some oranges down here. Ooh, crackle. What's this called?
Crackle.
Crackle.
Yeah.
Crackling Campfire, it's called. Okay. Okay, not too hard. Easy. What's your favorite color?
I don't know. Light blue and dark blue, since they're both blue.
Okay. Let's do another green, huh?
Yeah, so maybe that green.
Okay.
This green. Maybe that.
Here, right here. This one.
Oh.
Is that green? Looks like a blue. You are really super good at this. That one got super dark.
Yeah, I know. That was really like the same color.
Okay,
How about purple again?
Purple? Okay.
Maybe
A different purple?
this one.
Okay. There you go. Just make sure the lid doesn't. Okay, this one's called Seedless Preserves. You are going to help me make Christmas cards this year. Yep. I think you're going to be a good helper.
Yeah, I know. I'm going to help her with my mom.
Yeah.
How about this color?
That yellow? Okay.
Maybe it's this one.
Yep. You are just like going to town, man.
It looks like kind of brownish.
There you go. Go down here where you haven't. Put down here. I like that one. What's that one called? Brush corduroy.
Like the...
Like corduroy pants.
What?
Yeah. How about dark brown?
Yeah.
Dark brown? Let's use this one.
Yeah.
Or here, this one. This one's darker.
Yeah.
That looks fabulous. Can you tell people to subscribe?
No.
No? Tell them to subscribe to Grammy's channel.
I don't know what channel is.
Oh, you don't know what subscribe is?
Yeah.
My YouTube channel. Say, watch my Grammy. Okay, is it covered? Think we got enough on it?
That's one more color.
One more? All right.
It must be...
What haven't we done? We did pink. Apple? Flamingo? Flamingo. There's a pink one. Oh, pink will be sharp. Don't put your fingers in it. Oh, that's sharp. It goes on pretty good.
Yeah, I'm not sure if I got some.
Good enough, okay. Can you say Distress Oxides?
I don't know what that is.
Don't know what that is? Oh, that's what these are. I think your card looks great. You want to put it on, we'll glue it on a card?
Yeah, we have to put them back.
Put them back? Okay, here, put them back in. Can you reach? Put them back in and we'll put it on we'll glue it on the front of a card here. Here's Brennar with the final product. He was so happy to give that to his mommy. So we had a really good time. I love spending time with the grandchildren. And oh, by the way, we have another grandson on the way. And we are so excited. He'll be here in the fall and it'll be Brennar's cousin. So we're so excited. So thanks for watching.